Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Logitech G935, and now I'm going to show you how to charge this device. So the fast and the easiest way to recharge your device is to connect it to the charger. So here you have the micro USB charging port, as you can see, and in the couplet, in the box of these headsets, we have the micro USB cable. So just connect it, wait a while, and connect it to the normal charger or to your PC USB. And now our headphones are charging. You will see the lights, you will see that your headphones are charging, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.